Okay, it's time to make cat food, raw cat food, and I have cats to help me, as usual. And what I have here is 3 pounds, 2 pounds of turkey, 1 pound of ground Muscovy duck, that's complete with organs, etc. And we start with these and get these into the food processor. We ground these birds and got them into the freezer in pound packs, just for convenience. So there's the Muscovy. Get out. Just about. Cats know what's going on. This is a little bit sort of whiffy, because it's got the duck livers in there, and duck livers are really, really rich, loaded with lecithin and sulfonated amino acids. But anyway, that's one container. Next, chicken, like so, and that's easy. I just sort of squelch chicken in there. It's 2 pounds. 3rd pound here. We're accumulating cats, John. Right, next thing I have is...
It's actually turkey, not chicken.
Oh, you're right, it's turkey. Young Again Carnivore Raw. This is the supplement that I use. So I put this in, and it's basically for the 2 pounds of turkey, 34 grams, which is about 2 level tablespoons. It's a big English tablespoon, 34 grams for 2 pounds. And Jackie loves that smell. It's got all sorts of dried liver and stuff in it. Then I take other stuff. I have prepared, somewhere here, 6 of our own free-range eggs from our own heritage rare breed chickens. These go in there. Oh, sorry, Jack. I hit him on the head. I put a little bit of taurine in. Just about. There's plenty of taurine in the meat, but it's lost in the juices, so add a little bit more. There is carnitine in there, and oopsie, this is called ultra oil. It's a combination of sardine, anchovy, hemp seed, and flax. And I give a couple of squirts. The lots of omegas in the eggs, of course. Then these are my own additions. GSC, which I put into hot water, so it's easy to run. And for every 2 ounces, I put 1 drop of GSC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, 25 drops.
If we get any sudden camera jumps, it's because Shady the Siamese is headbutting my arm.
She's so sweet. Now a couple of tablespoons of pumpkin powder. Okay, it's pumpkin flour.
Probably worth panning across and getting the whole panoply of cats.
I know, I'm trying to find my ingredients because there's cats everywhere. Then I just add a little bit of water. This is about 1/4 ounce, but about 3 or 4 fluid ounces. Then I put the lid on. This is how quick and easy it is. Hit the button. That's it. And then what you have there is deliciousness. Cats just love this stuff. They know exactly what it is. I'll take it out. So that's what it looks like. You can have a little look at that. All sort of, if you put it in the fridge, it sort of sets up a bit harder, and I just scoop it out onto plates, put it into Tupperware, and they eat about between 2 and 3 pounds in a 24-hour period. That's between 15 cats. I don't normally have them all over the counter. We do have 3 kitchens here, but this is just to show how enthusiastic they were. Donald's getting in there. Aren't you, Donald? That's Boy. Hello, Boy. Donald and Jackie, and there's Tipper, and there's Misty over there, and there's DJ over there, and that's it. A couple of minutes to make homemade cat food. Very, very easy. Brilliant. Anybody can do it. Okay.